Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making oven roasted chickpeas. They're great just to eat by themselves, toss it in soup or salads. So let's start. First thing you need is, of course, chickpeas. Let's start by draining them and rinsing them with water. Once you rinse them, put them on a towel and make sure you really dry them. Take the time for this. Try and remove all the little skin from the chickpeas as much as you can. And also make sure your dog is not in the way. Once you're done, put them in a bowl and add the oil. I used 2 tablespoons for this, but that was just a bit too much, so you can use 1 tablespoon. Incorporate the oil, toss it in an oven tray and put it in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once you're in the oven, prepare your spice mix. I use salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper and a little bit of dried garlic for this. Once they're done, they look like this. Put them in a bowl when they're still hot and toss your spice mix on it. It's important to do this when they're still hot so it sticks on them. Incorporate the spices and let them cool off on an oven tray. And there you have it, your homemade oven roasted chickpeas. Simple but yet delicious. Thanks for watching. Let me know how yours turns out and see you next time in a new episode of Your Dinner.